What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what it do? Welcome back to the fifth quarter panel. And if it's your first time joining us, welcome to the fifth quarter panel, where it's all black, all bands, all the damn time. And I'm your host, Fred Dressel. We back with another fifth quarter panel quick take. Today we're doing Mississippi Valley State versus the Jackson State University, the Sonic Boom of the South. Y'all know I love saying that. I love saying the goddamn me Sonic Boom of the South. But this fifth quarter, 2025, I'm behind on a lot of this shit. Just so y'all know, I got a lot of content already created, but this editing is a bitch, and I still work a job. So if y'all would subscribe, I can get some more shit out there. Never just fucking with y'all. We finna get into it. So without any further ado, let's see what it do. Shout out to A1 Media. They give good videos, good sound, all that good shit. Let's see what we got here. Drop them down shit. I seem like the Boom taking it easy. Wrong. They are not. I don't know the name of this song. Piccolo. Oh, shout out to my cymbals. Shout out to the cymbals over there. I love seeing that shit. Man, Tuba Dog's been humping the whole time, man. Past season, 2025. I ain't seen no flaws from them. Plucking. See, I be getting, man, them chill bumps come easy, man. Them chill bumps come easy when I like shit. Love them telling me be plucking. Oh, dude, right there. I'ma point him out. That motherfucker be crunk for no goddamn reason. Crunk with a motherfucker. This nigga ain't even got his shirt on. His problem. Woo. Tuba's humping. Tuba's humping. Tuba's humping. Let's see what Mississippi Valley got. Screaming. What has Mississippi Valley been at? I thought this would be just a clean sweep. Hey, Valley sounded good. Surprising to me. I like the t-shirt. I think St. Aug played that. Tuba's coming with it. They tenors coming, but they ain't WT tenors. They not War and Thunder tenors. Hey, Valley is Valley shocking me right now. I did not expect this from Valley. I did not expect this. I'm sorry. We're gonna get back to it. Oh, we got some Magic Cities over there. We got some Magic Cities over there. I like seeing it though. Got some frat down there. I don't know who they are. They're probably Kappa Psi colors. Hey, I'll give Valley a round of applause on it. I was not expecting it. I promise I wasn't. Come on, J-State. What we got here? What we got here? Summer rain. 98, 99. Sound good. What's on the 2 quints there? CJ sets. Thrill of a billion eyes. I would have came with someone with a little more power. Sound good though. Y'all know I'm gonna say that. But I'm being honest. When they sound bad, I say they sound bad. But I don't get to say that too often. Okay, trombones. Percussion being felt, not heard. I wonder who wrote this selection. Piccolo's coming through. I told you I love woodwinds. They bring that down real low. Yeah, Piccolo's coming on through that joint. I fuck with it. The ending threw me off a little bit. It threw me off just a little bit. All right, Valley, what y'all got? Y'all sounding good that first song. Let's see if y'all can keep it up. Let's see if y'all can keep it up. What's that? I know that song. Some chick sing it. Deborah Cox. I done got a spam call on my phone. I don't know nobody named Spam Likely. Okay, so we ain't got to the crank part of the fifth quarter yet. I like fifth quarter. This should be zero quarter stuff right here. Kind of take that back a little bit. That tuba's going too. I ain't gonna lie, Valley holding up so far. They holding up. I didn't expect this. Oh, that was a little funky right there. Once I gave y'all some credit. I said that in Credit Karma, just send me an email. But they do sound good. I ain't like the little bridge. I ain't like that shit. It was sloppy. I think they should cut it off before they fuck it up. Endings are not good for, they're not doing good on the endings. See, this fifth quarter shit right here, blow a motherfucking wig off. All right, symbols. Quint's going crazy out here. Tuba Dog just doing what Tuba Dogs do. Ooh, love them tenors. Oh, I got on my Bravo today, y'all. My Johnny Bravo. Yeah. T-shirt too. Love them goddamn tenors. I played snare over there, but I love them tenors. Man, Jackson State different, bro. They different. I ain't saying that because that's my shit. Them motherfuckers different, man. I be saying everybody else battling for second place, and I really believe that in my heart. In my heart. I believe that. A bunch of Johnny one notes. Valley got some sound. My bad. Bad song selection on this one, Valley. Tubas came through. Save y'all little. Oh, Bone singing. Hold on, my bad, y'all. I was talking. Hold on. Bones came through singing on that shit. I would have came with something a little more upbeat with a little more power. But I'm gonna stop talking shit about Valley. Hey man, Valley doing okay. I don't think they're gonna take it, but they're doing okay. Way better than I thought they were gonna do. Way better. What we got, J-State? Blue Bengals, what we got? Time to crank, my niggas. My Negroes. They're playing Maniac. Yep. Let's see if they do it. She's a maniac. On the floor. Yep. I told y'all the Boom don't have books, they have libraries, man. I'm from Mississippi, library. They have libraries. Oh, that's the end? It's better than making up some stupid shit. Hey, this is a good battle. This is a real good battle. When I saw the video, I thought it was gonna be just a blowout. Man, Valley keep losing me. They need better arrangements. I think they'll be great. They're very good, but I think with better arrangements, they'll be great. They got a lot of dead spots in their songs. Excuse me. I need to quit drinking. See, now they sound like the Valley that I'm used to. Nope, they let it go. They let it go. Horrible choice. Tubas together though. I like the tubas. I actually like their band. They okay. But everybody bring when they play Jackson State. See right here, I don't get it. Tubas. Round of applause for the tubas, man. I ain't gonna lie, the tubas sound good to me. What we got state? What we got state? What we got state? We got to refresh this cup. One-handed. The piccolo's still piercing, man. 3 quints out there, 3 quints. Shout out to the cymbals. Shout out to the get a cymbal song, man. They say get a drummer song, get a cymbal song. Bone singing. Shit. Smoking my eye, y'all. Do y'all see the motion of how they playing and breathing? Man, come on. All right, State. All right, State. I'm just happy Valley came in and did something. Or just they leaving? I know it's a away game, but what they leaving for? Fuck is this? I'm trying to get into this. I don't know. I have no idea what this is. We see your t-shirt, buddy. We see your t-shirt. We're gonna shout you out. We're gonna shout you out. You good. I told y'all for some reason they lose me with this shit. They do a super decrescendo and then try to come right back with a crescendo. But I don't know this song, so it's probably how the song is, so I don't damn know. How much time left on here? Oh, that much left. Not a fan. What else we got? There's some more time on here, so why is Jack State leaving? What we doing here? You got a leotard or some shit. What the fuck? I like that motion. I want to cut it off right now because it's not really a battle anymore. Still like the tubers. There go that shit where they get low for no damn reason. That did not sound good. Yeah, they saying go home. That couple can blow your ass out again, nigga. Fuck. All right, ladies. All right, that's it. This summer's over there. All right. Hey, that's it, y'all. That's it. Jackson State left. Why the fuck they leave? I don't know. But anyway, make me big. Make me big. Somebody play my goddamn theme music. Somebody play my theme music. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Valley did way the fuck better than I expected them to do. Did they win? No. Did they do a good job? I think they did a good job. I think they had better arrangements. They'll be great. They'll be great. Like they sounded real good. They sounded damn good. Impressed me, honestly. They impressed me. But we're finna get right into it. Funk Face. I gotta look at myself and do the Funk Face to see what rating I'm on. Funk Face. Mississippi Valley State. Them goddamn Devils. Mississippi Valley State. I'm gonna give y'all 3. Only because y'all shocked me. I wasn't expecting shit from y'all, to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting nothing, but I'm gonna give y'all 3. Had to wait for my theme music to start back over. Fuck, hold on. Deuce one like Dion. I said Deuce one like Dion. There we go. When they play my theme music. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. This drink got me, man. This drink got me. But yo, Valley, I'm gonna give y'all 3. I'll give y'all a solid 3. I'll give y'all a solid 3 because y'all surprised me. I was thinking y'all gonna leave this bitch with a 1. 1.5, and I don't even do halves. I try not to. I don't know if I did or not. Who knows? Jackson State, I'm gonna get them a, my bad. The Jackson State University Sonic Boom of the South. I'm gonna get them a 4. Cause they came in a little, not timid, but they didn't come in like I thought they were gonna come in. But I gave them a 4. They had a few little bad spots in there, but not many. Section of the day. Jackson State University. Tuba Dog. Fuck that. Piccolos. I'm gonna give it to the Piccolos. Tuba Dogs did their goddamn thing. They always do their thing, but I'm gonna give it to the Piccolos today, man. They showed out. And an old dude, I don't know if he Hispanic or what, he cut up every goddamn performance. And, when y'all see the video, I'm gonna show him out. I'm gonna show who he is. But that's it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, follow. As always, I always get my directions wrong. I'm looking at the TV, but as always, hype me up. Slide to the side over there. Get on the thing, slide. Click that hype button. Hype me up, man. Subscribe, please subscribe. We're trying to get a subscribe. Trying to get monetized. Trying to get some shit going over here. So fuck with your boy Fred Drusser, 5th quarter panel. 5th quarter panel. And also, I got 2 or 3 other HBCU band content creators. We're gonna do a panel. I got some former JSS. I got people out of different bands, and some directors gonna be on here. We're gonna do the panel. We're gonna start the panel back up instead of the quick takes. But y'all got some content creators on here. Y'all be on the lookout for that. Middle of March, we're gonna get this shit back cranking. That's it. Fred Drusser, 5th quarter panel. We up out this bitch. Appreciate y'all. Holla.